Hello friends, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how you can change cover photo on the Facebook group. So without wasting time, let's start video. If this video will be helpful for you, please like it and subscribe our channel. So let's start video. Firstly, open the Facebook and then you will see three lines on top right, click on it. And then you will see group, click on it. And then click on your group and select the group on which you want to change your cover photo. So choose the group and then click on manage options. Then scroll down the page and you will see group setting options. Click on it. And then you can see cover photo, tap on it. And select the photo which you want to change. After selecting, then click on save options. Here you can see that my cover photo has been changed. So in this way you can change your cover photo on the group. If this video is helpful for you, please like it and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.